beautiful family, I'm going to cook jollof for you. Smoked jollof, okay? Now let's check the ingredients. I cut a few onions, ginger, garlic, okay? And here I have 1 teaspoon of wisa, 1 teaspoon of clove, and 1 teaspoon of anise seed. I have my goat meat here. I have my peppers, my tomatoes, my Jamaica green pepper. I'm going to smoke this pepper. I'm not going to blend it raw, okay? Buy this. It's so fun. It's natural ingredients. Pepper, wisa. That's what we are going to use to season the fish. Meanwhile, I'm going to blend this and put it on top. Okay. Our pepper is ready. Let's add about 3 tablespoons on top of the goat meat. Salt this goes on top of the meat. Cutting a pepper. Let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. We are going to cut the rest of the ingredients and put it in the food processor and blend it off camera because of time. Now I have my 2 big onions, my 2 Jamaica pepper is going in. I'm going to blend this until it blends smooth off camera, okay, because of time. Now the onion and pepper is blend. Let's add 3 cloves of garlic. Our meat is doing good. We are going to use this fire for another part. We are starting our gravy. Our meat has steamed for 10 minutes. Let's add 1 cup of water. Let's boil it for 15 minutes. Half cup of canola oil. We are going to add the garlic and onion mix into here and start our stew gravy. We are going to add our onion mix to the oil. So this onion will bubble for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients there. Very soon we'll put our tomato paste. Meanwhile, I have my pepper here. All right, this pepper I'm going to roast it. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to roast this pepper. Our meat is done. Let's turn this fire off. I'm going to add my tomato paste. I'm going to stir this. Meanwhile, our pepper is still roasting. I have more in the other side of the fire. We are going to prep all these tomatoes and put it in the food processor and blend it. Okay. Okay, now our pepper is smoked. Let's turn the fire off. All right. You see this plastic paper bag here? This pepper is going in the paper bag. Okay. If you have brown paper bag, that's fine. If you don't have it, white is okay. We are going to seal this paper bag. Seal it well. Don't let any air go in. It's going to peel the pepper. If you seal it 5-10 minutes later, come check it, and you can peel all the smoke burnt pepper skin. Going to peel all the skin and add it here to tomatoes and blend it. That's going to go on our gravy. You don't have to cut it in pieces. All you have to do is just take the seed out. Going to blend all of it and put it in the gravy. Now let's add our tomatoes. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'll put all my spices, the rest of the spices. We are going to fry the goat meat. Let's add our canola oil. Now you can tell our jollof gravy is cooked. If you look here, I have all the spices. I didn't put the spices at the beginning. Okay, I have 1 teaspoon of curry powder goes in. Complete seasoning. This is nutmeg. Half teaspoon of rosemary. And you see my natural ingredients, getting a pepper. It's going in too. 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put a little shake of salt because I use salt to season the meat. Now my gravy is done. Let's put all the meat in. Let's put the stock. Now we are going to wash our rice and put it in. Wash the rice. The rice go into the gravy. Let's see how our jollof is doing. I turn it over off camera for maybe 1 time. This is the second time I'm turning it over. It's almost done. Let me add just a splash of water. Let's cover it with aluminium. Come back and check it. I think 10 minutes will be done. I think the rice is done. It's perfectly cooked. The dinner have to be served. Okay, we have our salad here. Let's eat it. Look at the goat meat. The goat meat is falling apart because it's cooked. It's fried and cooked. I'm going to freeze all of this. See how much gravy I have left. I can freeze this too. So make a plan for a whole week or a whole month. You don't have to worry. Okay? So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay? Family Chef, try to be nice and kind to everyone.